This 2025 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40CBK is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Giddings, Texas, 78942 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Giddings. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features a PEBBLE interior, sleeps 7, Slideout, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.